Today we're going to make donut coffee. Today we're going to make donut dip coffee. Dalgona whipped coffee. We're going to make it into a flower. I measured out 6 spoons of each. Oopsie doodles. Oh, sorry. I thought iced coffee though. I love sugar. Time to whoop it up. Let's get piping. Time to pour the milk. This is pretty tricky. Isn't it so cool? Mommy, come and pick the flower for me.
You have to swirl the cup at the same time.
Okay,
That's the
Mama.
tricky part.
Can I help it? Can I help, Mama? Can I do it, Mama?
Do you see that?
Yeah, can I
Okay,
help?
you try. It might topple over. Oh. Aim it to the sides. Looks great. Uh-oh, look. Ah!
Lick it.
That's coffee. Okay, now are you gonna drink the coffee? No, instead you can have some milk.
And milk. You.
Cheers.
Cheers. But Mom, this is okay if I don't finish my chicken.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie fam.
Bye. Cheers. Mommy, guess what the best part is?
What? She's right.
Some of you might be wondering from my last video, how do you drink this drink? And you actually just mix it in quite a bit, and I had to move mine to a different cup.
Ari Attempts every Saturday.